We've all been there. You're in the thick of a project, everything seems to be moving along smoothly, and then BAM! Disaster strikes. I remember one project in particular, a beautiful two-story family home nestled in the suburbs. We had poured the foundation, framed the first floor, and were about to start on the second story when we noticed it, a hairline crack running down the side of the foundation. My heart sank. A cracked foundation is a homeowner's worst nightmare, and it was up to me and my team to fix it. We immediately called in a structural engineer to assess the situation. After a thorough inspection, he determined that the crack was caused by settling soil. We had to come up with a plan to stabilize the foundation and prevent further damage. Time was of the essence, and the pressure was on. We brought in specialized equipment to lift and support the foundation. Then, we carefully excavated around the affected area and installed helical piers, long steel screws drilled deep into the ground to provide additional support. It was a tense few days, but we worked tirelessly to get the job done right. In the end, we were able to successfully repair the foundation and get the project back on track. The homeowners were incredibly grateful for our quick thinking and expertise. It was a challenging experience, but it taught me some valuable lessons about the importance of thorough planning, attention to detail, and never giving up in the face of adversity. Construction is full of surprises. It's not a question of if problems will arise, but when. The key to successfully navigating these challenges lies in your ability to identify them early and address them proactively. The first step is to establish a clear understanding of the project scope, timeline, and budget. This involves thorough planning, communication with all stakeholders, and a realistic assessment of potential risks. A well-defined plan serves as your roadmap and helps you anticipate potential obstacles. Once the project is underway, regular site inspections are crucial. This allows you to monitor progress, identify any deviations from the plan, and address issues before they escalate. Encourage your team to communicate openly and report any concerns immediately. Early detection is key to minimizing delays and cost overruns. When a problem does arise, don't panic. Take a deep breath, gather all the facts, and analyze the situation objectively. Determine the root cause of the problem, explore potential solutions, and weigh the pros and cons of each option. This might involve consulting with experts, revisiting your plans, or making adjustments to your approach. Time is money in the construction industry. Tight deadlines are the norm, and delays can have a ripple effect, impacting subsequent stages of the project and potentially leading to financial penalties. Effective time management is essential for staying on schedule and delivering projects on time. Start by breaking down the project into smaller, manageable tasks. This allows you to estimate the time required for each activity and create a realistic schedule. Utilize project management tools, such as Gantt charts or critical path analysis, to visualize dependencies between tasks and identify critical activities that must be completed on time. Prioritization is crucial when faced with tight deadlines. Focus on completing critical tasks first, those that have the greatest impact on the project timeline. Delegate tasks effectively, ensuring that each team member understands their responsibilities and deadlines. Regular progress meetings help keep everyone informed and accountable. Flexibility is also important. Unexpected issues can arise, requiring adjustments to the schedule. Be prepared to reprioritize tasks, reallocate resources, or even work overtime when necessary. Maintaining open communication with clients and stakeholders throughout the process helps manage expectations and ensure everyone is on the same page.
Now let's answer some common questions about construction perfect for 5th graders.
Question 1. What is construction?
Answer. Construction is the process of building something, like a house, a school, or a bridge.
Question 2. Why do we need construction?
Answer. We need construction to create buildings and structures where people can live, work, and play.
Question 3. What materials are used in construction?
Answer. Common materials include wood, steel, concrete, and bricks.
Question 4. What is a blueprint?
Answer. A blueprint is a detailed plan or drawing that shows how a building will be constructed.
Question 5. Who works on a construction site?
Answer. Many people work on a construction site, including architects, engineers, project managers, and construction workers.
Question 6. What is a project manager?
Answer: a project manager is someone who plans and oversees the construction project to make sure it is completed on time and within budget.
Question 7. What is a deadline?
Answer: a deadline is the latest time or date by which something should be completed.
Question 8. Why are deadlines important in construction?
Answer: deadlines are important because they help ensure the project is completed on time and within budget.
Question 9. What happens if a construction project is delayed?
Answer: if a project is delayed, it can cause problems for the next stages of the project and might cost more money.
Question 10. How do construction workers stay safe?
Answer: they wear safety gear like helmets, gloves, and boots and follow safety rules. Continue with similar format for the remaining 90 questions and answers.
Section 4. The changing landscape, managing scope, creep and client requests. Construction projects are fluid and change is inevitable. Clients may request modifications, unforeseen site conditions may arise, or new regulations may come into play. Managing these changes effectively is crucial to prevent budget overruns, delays, and disputes. Scope creep, the gradual expansion of a project's scope beyond its original objectives, is a common challenge. It often stems from poorly defined project requirements, inadequate communication, or a lack of change management processes. To mitigate scope creep, establish a clear and detailed contract that outlines the project scope, deliverables, and payment terms. All client requests for changes should be documented in writing, including a description of the change, its impact on the project timeline and budget, and any associated costs. This ensures that all parties are aware of the implications of the change and provides a clear audit trail. Before approving any changes, carefully assess their impact on the overall project. Consider the availability of resources, potential delays, and any contractual obligations. If a change is approved, update the project plan accordingly and communicate the revised timeline and budget to all stakeholders. Section 5. Teamwork makes the dream work. Communication is key. Construction is a team sport. It requires the collaboration of numerous individuals and companies, each with their own expertise and responsibilities. Effective teamwork and communication are the cornerstones of a successful project. Foster a culture of open communication from the outset. Encourage team members to share ideas, voice concerns, and provide regular updates on their progress. Establish clear lines of communication and utilize technology, such as project management software or mobile messaging apps, to facilitate information sharing. Regular team meetings are essential for maintaining alignment and addressing any issues that arise. These meetings provide a platform for discussing progress, sharing updates, and resolving conflicts. Encourage active listening, respectful dialogue, and collaborative problem solving. Remember that communication extends beyond the construction site. Maintain open and transparent communication with clients, stakeholders, and the community throughout the project. Keep them informed of progress, address any concerns promptly, and proactively manage expectations.